Hey guys, welcome to our very first CES Math Bowl. This is our third grade math team. Okay guys, I'm going to read your tournament rules. I need you to listen very carefully. If you have a question at the end, please raise your hand. Okay, rule number 1, each question will be read 2 times through. If you buzz in before the moderator finishes, you will have to answer the partially read question. Rule number 2, only the first person to buzz in will have the opportunity to answer the question. Rule number 3, if the player answers the question incorrectly or takes longer than 30 seconds to respond, the other team has 30 seconds to answer the question. On this occasion, that team may talk among yourselves for 30 seconds. Contestant 1 on that team will always answer for the team. Rule number 4, you will each participate in 3 rounds with 7 questions in each round. There will be a total of 21 questions. Rule number 5, the team with the most points at the end of round number 3 will be announced the winners of the 2018 Math Bowl. Are there any questions? Best of luck to both teams.
All right, first question. Round these numbers to the nearest 10 and add 13 plus 25 plus 12. Round these numbers to the nearest 10 and add 13 plus 25 plus 12.
Team Gold, player 1.
Correct. All right. Question number 2. Add the following money: 1 quarter, 1 dime, 2 nickels, 4 pennies. Add the following money: 1 quarter, 1 dime, 2 nickels, 4 pennies.
Team Trojan, player 3.
49 cents.
That is correct. Question 3. Find the perimeter and area. 6 by 15. Find the perimeter and area. 6 by 15.
Team Gold, player 3.
The area is 90 and the perimeter is 45.
I'm sorry, that is not correct. Team Trojan, you may discuss and get an answer for us.
Time. Team Trojan, player 1, what is your response?
The area is 9 and the perimeter is 42.
That is correct. Team Trojan, you get a point. All right, question 4. Solve for the missing number. N minus 23 equals 48. Solve for the missing number. N minus 23 equals 48.
Team Gold, player 2.
I'm sorry, that is not the correct answer. Team Trojan, you will now have 30 seconds. That is the correct answer. Team Trojan, you get a point. Question number 5. Name the equivalent fraction. 6/8 is equivalent to what fourth?
Team Trojan, player 1.
That is correct. Team Trojan gets a point. Question number 6. Multiply to find the product. 37 times 5. Multiply to find the product. 37 times 5.
Team Gold, player 1.
That is the correct answer. Team Gold, you get a point. All right, question 7. Find the elapsed time. 6:04 a.m. to 10:28 a.m. Find the elapsed time. 6:04 a.m. through 10:28 a.m.
Team Trojan, player 4.
4 hours and 24 minutes.
That is correct. Team Trojan, you get a point. That is the end of round 1. We will now swap players out for round 2.
Can we have a score check, please?
Yes. Team Trojan after round 1 is 5 points. Team Gold after round 1 has 2 points.
Round 2 is players 3, 4, 5, 6. So players 1 and 2 need to exit, please.
Boys and girls, when you answer the questions, we need you to speak up just a little bit, okay, so that they can hear you when they are watching.
All right, we will now begin round 2. Round these numbers to the nearest 10 and add 17 plus 41 plus 23. Round these numbers to the nearest 10 and add.
Team Trojan, player 3.
That is correct. Team Trojan, you get a point. Question number 2, add the following money. 2 quarters, 1 dime, 4 nickels, 3 pennies. Add the following money. 2 quarters, 1 dime, 4 nickels.
Team Gold, player 2.
I'm sorry, $1.03 is not the correct answer. Team Trojan, you will now have 30 seconds to answer the question.
Team Trojan, player 1.
83 cents.
Yes, 83 cents is the correct answer. Team Trojan, you get a point. Question 3. Find the perimeter and area. 8 by 12. Find the perimeter and area. 8 by 12.
Team Trojan, player 3.
96 for area and 40 for perimeter.
I'm sorry, you did not have the correct units. Team Gold, you will now have 30 seconds to answer.
Time.
Team Gold, player 1. Do you guys have an answer?
161 for area and 40 for perimeter.
I'm sorry, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is area is 96 square units and perimeter is 40 units.
Remember to say the units, guys.
Question 4. Solve for the missing number. 53 equals n plus 17. Solve for the missing number. 53 equals n plus 17.
Team Trojan, player 3.
N means 46.
I'm sorry, that is not the correct answer. Team Gold, you will now have 30 seconds to answer the question.
Team Gold, player 1.
36.
Yes, n equals 36. Team Gold, you get a point. Question 5. Name the equivalent fraction. 3/9 is equal to what 18th? Name the equivalent fraction. 3/9 is equal to what 18th?
Team Gold, player 1.
6.
Yes, 6/18 is equivalent to 3/9. Team Gold, you get a point. Question 6. Multiply to find the product. 48 times 8. Multiply to find the product. 48 times 8.
Team Trojan, player 2.
384.
Yes, 384 is the correct product. Team Trojan, you get a point. Question 7. Find the elapsed time. 8:19 p.m. through 11:25 p.m. Find the elapsed time. 8:19 p.m. through 11:25 p.m.
Team Trojan, player 1.
3 hours and 6 minutes.
That is correct. 3 hours and 6 minutes is the elapsed time. That concludes round 2. Can we get a score check?
After round 2, Team Trojan has 9 points. Team Gold has 4 points.
So for round 3, we'll have players 1, 2, 5, and 6. So players 1, 2, 5, and 6. 3 and 4 need to come and have a seat. Thank you.
And guys, remember, if the other team answers incorrectly, you may talk among yourselves about what the answer is, and player 1 on that team will always answer for you.
Again, each team needs players 1, 2, 5, and 6.
So Kaylin and James, you should be for Team Trojan. That should be Caleb, Karen, Kaylin, and James for Team Trojan. Casey, Samantha, Mason, and Sterling for Team Gold.
All right, we are ready to begin round 3. Question 1. Round these numbers to the nearest 10 and add 16 plus 14 plus 25. Round these numbers to the nearest 10 and add 16 plus 14 plus 25.
Team Gold, player 4.
60.
Yes, 60 is the correct answer. Team Gold, you get a point. Question number 2. Add the following money. 1 quarter, 3 dimes, 3 nickels, 2 pennies. Add the following money. 1 quarter, 3 dimes, 3 nickels, 2 pennies.
Team Trojan, player 1.
72 cents.
Yes, 72 cents is the correct answer. Team Trojan, you get a point. Question 3. Find the perimeter and area. 9 by 13. Find the perimeter and area. 9 by 13.
Team Gold, player 4.
The area is 117 square units, and the is
Time.
Team Trojan, you may now talk and have 30 seconds to answer the question.
$117 square units and 44.
Yes, the area is 117 square units and the perimeter is 44 units. Team Trojan, you have a point. Question number 4. Solve for the missing number. N divided by 6 equals 6. Solve for the missing number. N.
Team Trojan, player 1.
Yes, N equals 36. Team Trojan, you have a point. Question 5. Name the equivalent fraction. 9/12 is equivalent to what fourth? Name the equivalent fraction. 9/12 is equivalent to what fourth?
Team Gold, player 1.
Yes, 3/4 is equivalent to 9/12. Team Gold, you have a point. Question 6. Multiply to find the product. 63 times 6. Multiply to find the product. 63 times 6.
Team Trojan, player 3.
Product is 378.
Yes, correct. The product is 378. Team Trojan, you get a point. All right, this will be our final question of our math bowl. Question 7. Find the elapsed time. 9:23 p.m. through 10:15 p.m. Find the elapsed time. 9:23 p.m. through 10:15 p.m.
Team Gold, player 2.
52 minutes.
Yes, the correct answer is 52 minutes. Team Gold, you have a point. Let us get the final calculations and we will announce the winner of the Math Bowl. Good job to all the contestants.
Team Trojan with a total of 13 points. Team Gold with a total of 7 points. So the winner of the first third grade math bowl here at Carrollton Elementary School goes to Team Trojan.
Team Trojan, if you will please very carefully line up in front of the table without stepping on the cords, please. Congratulations to all of our contestants. Wonderful job, guys. Give yourself a big
Flip this way and sign, please. James, hold your trophy back. Hold your trophy up, please.
You guys are going to have to scoot in. Squeeze all the way in.
James, move on.